What's going on, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva here. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. If you have not checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info, peruse around, and check us out. The link is also in the description. All right, I'm back today just to do a quick review, all right, for one of my second recommended programs, right? All right, my highly recommended programs. Of course, I can't make any income claims or any income guarantees. It takes work and effort to get the results. It takes consistency, and you have to never quit. I'm telling you, you've got to stick and stay. That's the name of the game, guys. All right, so I'm here to do a review on that today. Again, make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, so if you want to learn and earn 100% instant payments, 100% profit from anywhere, using a phone or laptop or any smart device, all right, and a Wi-Fi connection, you can get started today to unlock instant access to a step-by-step blueprint. All right, this program is going to show you how to tap into social media marketing, how to tap into copy and paste ads, all right, with a short income producing activity blueprint. Okay, so of course you've got to implement. Okay, we can learn and consume information all day, every day, right? You just taking in and watching this and reading this, but until you take action, nothing happens. And sticking with it. Okay, it's simple, and I'm gonna be honest, it's a simple thing, but it's not always easy. And I say not easy because people want stick and stay, right? So it's simple. It can be easy, but a lot of times people overcomplicate it, and they may do something 3 or 4 times or 5 times and go, oh, it didn't work. And then guess what? They move on to the next program. But guess what? It's not the program most of the time. All right, we have to take accountability. We have to stick and stay and push through. All right, so anyway, I want to show you this program, and then I want to show you how grandmas, okay, we got some grandpas too, but I'm talking about the grandmas today, meaning folks over 60, which is not that's not an old person, but I like to show you, okay, our baby boomers, if you will, is doing this. All right. So even if that's you and you're thinking, oh, I'm too old, I can't learn anything, or I'm not technical, I just want to show you proof where other folks are saying how they're using this system and it's working for them. Of course, they're sticking with it though, okay? So I just want to show you that. But let's get into it here. Let's go. So of course, we're talking about digital products. You're going to have the master resale rights to resell this program, all right? What is the program? It's training, okay? You're going to have the resale rights, 100% profit you're going to earn from reselling this training, all right? And it's digital products, so you don't have to worry about shipping anything, any of that. And we're talking about $900 per sale. There's 4 products in here. The Legacy Builder program is the top program. All right, so you think about this. All right, again, we're not making any income claims, so we gotta keep it real here. All right, folks are saying, oh, I want to make 4,000, I want to make 5,000 a month. Well, in order to do that and maximize this comp plan, which is very simple, it's only 4 products. You're gonna make 100, 300, 600, or 900. Okay, that's it. Now they have the Spanish version, which is Spanish and English. That bundle package, that's $1,400. All right, but we're just talking about the 900. It's the same thing. It's just one has Spanish in it, the other one doesn't. All right, so let's go with the 900. We're talking about, well, I want to make full-time income. I'm listening to people, I'm watching them online, and I'm watching comments and posts, and they're saying all these things, but you have to take this in consideration that get that out of your head. Well, it's a $900 product. Well, remember, the purchase price is what you're going to earn as well. So if you purchased a $900 product, that's what you'll be able to earn because you own the product. All right. So think about how many customers do you need. You're saying, hey, I want to make $4,000 a month. Well, 900 times what? 4 is 36. 900 times 5 is 45. So you would only need 5 customers, right? Or 6 customers to make 5,400. So do the math. It's simple math. You decide, well, what's my goals? Oh, I want to make $5,000 a month. Okay, well, how many customers do I need? Yes, you can do it with the $100 product, but it's going to take more customers. And guess what? It takes the same amount of effort to promote a high-ticket product than it does to promote a low-ticket product. It's the same effort. You're doing the same marketing. You're not going to do any marketing different just because you're promoting a $100 product, right? So if you want to reach your goals and maximize, it's up to you. Get in where you fit in, right? But think about the logic behind it. Oh, it's only going to take a handful of customers to reach my goals versus me taking a $100 product, trying to get to 4,000, right? So anyway, that's the math of it all. That's just it. Okay, do the math. 100, 300, 600, or 900. All right, 900 is the top tier, period. Okay, and we have a system in place that's going to automate everything. It comes with a capture page. It comes with the sales page that's going to do the selling and telling the to your prospects, so you don't have to explain this. This is not MLM network marketing where we got to get on the phone and say, well, let me explain this to you. You got 30 minutes and break it all down. We don't do that, guys. We point people to the information. That's what we do, okay? You have to learn how to do that. That's the skill of it all. How do I get people? Where do I get them from? How do I get them to go over here, right? That's what you're going to learn here, attraction marketing. Folks come to you. They research what they're looking for. They find you, and then you point them to the information. And the system is going to do the selling, telling, sifting, and sorting. That's where the automation comes in. They go to your capture page. They put the email in. Boom. They come to a sales page. A video is there. It's going to explain everything. Okay. Then if that's not enough, we have webinars where the owner of the program will explain it all, and you can come in there and answer your questions live with the owner, okay? But the gist of it all is we send people to information. If they like what they see, right, they opt in, they like what they see, they click the button, they purchase, and they pay you directly. No middleman. That's it. It comes with a 2-hour workday, which means there's activities that you need to do, all right, income-producing activities to drive people to your capture page. All right, there's no monthly fees. So we're talking about what am I going to have to do? Well, there's different things here. You can decide which platform you want to use to do it, but it will consist of copying and pasting ads to free websites, high traffic websites, or 3 pieces of content. You can do reels, short videos, long videos. You know, folks are on different platforms doing these things, right? And then you also want to follow up with people that inquire, like emails, comments. People may inquire with you. That's the plan. That's the blueprint. That's a 2-hour income producing activity. 2 hours. Okay, of course you don't have to do it all in once. Like here's an example. They're saying take 30 minutes to do this, copy and paste and ads. Take an hour to get you 3 pieces of content out there. You decide on the platform. We're not going to tell you, well, you need to go do TikTok. Oh, you need to do Instagram. Pick one you're comfortable with and stick with it. Stay with it over and over and over and over till you see some results, right? Before you go to another platform. All right? Because you don't want to overwhelm yourself. Though that's the plan. That is the plan. But folks want to do this for a week, 2 weeks, a month, 3 weeks. Oh, it didn't work out. You have to stick with it, guys. Stick and stay. This is how ordinary people are building extraordinary results. Not fast, but sustainable, okay? Now, real quick, I want to show you here just some grandmas, okay, that's saying this is working for them, that they're doing it, okay? So, check it out. Miss Felicia says, my first sale in less than 4 weeks. Hallelujah. I just got my first sale of $900. This is amazing. If a 60-year-old schoolgirl with no experience in tech has done this, then you can do it too. So, okay. So 60 years old. Again, some people may think that's old. And some people that's that age may think that's old. So I'm just showing you that other people are doing it. So that's a grandma. I just wanted to highlight the grandmas. Here's another grandma. Christy, shout out to her. Shout out to Felicia too. Okay. So Christy says, $900 sale after a morning with my granddaughters. She's a grandma. Yesterday was such a sweet reminder of why I chose this path. I had just spent the whole morning with my granddaughters, came home, fixed lunch, and decided to relax on the sofa, and boom, she made $900. Okay, while she was spending time with the kids, the grandkids, guys, because she set her system up. She implemented, she did the work, implemented the different strategies, and she went on with her day, and boom, a sale came in. Okay, so that's a grandmother. Here's another one. Miss Mary says here, $1,200 in a day. She had two $600 dings for the day, which bring my total for this month to $13,950. If a grandma can do this, you can too. Again, no income claims. We can't guarantee what you're going to do. I'm just showing you what's been proven and what's possible. And this is how I see things myself. If I've seen somebody else, if I want that, and I've seen at least one person where it's worked, that tells me I can do it. That's how I've always thought. And that's how I make things work for me. Oh, they can do it and I want it. I'm going to do that same thing and do it better. All right. So that just drives me. You know, I'm driven that way. So you have to push yourself, guys. All right. So that's another grandma. All right. So just wanted to show you guys that is possible. It doesn't matter about your age. Forget all that. Do you want to do it? You have to think about your why. Do you want to do it, and how bad do you want it? Period. That's it. Okay? Okay, now that you know those steps that you would have to take to make this work, right? This is one of the capture pages. You're going to drive people here. This is just one. I think there's two in there, 2 or 3. But this is one I'm using, all right, from the system. And they're using system.io, so you have no monthly fees. This is a one-time payment. All right, you don't have to pay this anymore. Now, this is not residual. This is instant commissions, okay? So, it's member to member. Now, what I love about it is 100%, and you get paid. There's no middleman, right? So, your job, you've seen what you need to do, right? These are the things. These are the things, right? So, we're talking content, copy and paste ads, responding to comments, and responding to emails that people send you. You do the work. You're driving people here. This is what you're going to promote folks to go to your capture page. They put in their email. Boom. It takes them to one of these sales pages where Michelle is going to explain everything. You don't have to explain it. Don't get on the phone trying to explain it. Always send people to the information. Okay? Send folks to the information. So it can explain everything. That's how that works. All right. So anyway, they opt in. Boom. They go here, right? They see a sales video. They read over the page. They see other testimonies. If they're interested, they go to the next page, which is this page right here. Okay. And this is the page that has everything here. There's another video. Talks about everything. There's more testimonies. Breaks everything down. This page also brands you, all right, because they allow you to put your picture on here and put your little story in here. So it's branded to you, all right. And again, breaks down everything. It's 3 steps though. All you're going to do is plug into what's already here. You don't have to create anything. Capture pages are already done. Sales page is already done. The autoresponder is done. All you're going to do is copy and paste it and put it into system.io. And they have the videos to tell you how to do it all. We all did it. Okay, I didn't create anything. I just plugged into the videos that tells you exactly what to do. All right, so that's what you're going to plug into. You're going to get your coaching, live coaching, mentoring in the community, weekly interactive Zooms. Everything you need is here, step by step. And then you can also scale this up. I'm just telling you how to maximize with the 900, but you got the 1, 3, and 6. So you can scale this up. You can always upgrade, all right, at a, excuse me, at a later time, okay? But just get started. That's the key. Sitting on the fence, watching and consuming information is not going to get us anywhere, okay? So that's how it goes. So then we come over here to our community. More folks are saying what's working for them. Now, this was amazing. Look, $900 sale last night while I was doing laundry. Stay consistent and coachable, folks. Okay? All right, so you come here. So we got a calendar. All right, because you want to know, well, when is the training? When is all this? When is the training? You come to your calendar. You're in school. All right, in the school community. So let's say coming up this week, we got our legacy builder. If you purchased a $900 product on a Monday at 12 o'clock, as you can see, it's every Monday at 12. Okay, for the legacy builder, it's the interactive training. Then we've got a weekly Zoom here at 12 o'clock. This is coming up this week. That's the webinar, the free webinar, guys. Okay, the 90-day. There's going to be another 90-day challenge that you can jump on. Then we got another Zoom on Wednesday at 1, and then Thursday our mindset. Okay, so as you can see, here is the calendar. All you gotta do is plug in. If you miss it, guess what? You can go to the classroom, come over here to the replays. Look, free webinar resources and replay. All right, so right here, all you do is click on classroom, and you can see everything here, getting started and accessing your program. There was a 30-day challenge. All these replays are in here. But here is the free webinar one right here. We have a weekly tech call as well. That's on that calendar I just showed you. Weekly community call replays. Everything is here. Okay, look right here. Also, social media and content trainings. Just plug in. That's all you got to do. Everything is already set and ready to go. Okay. All right, that's it. That's all. Just simply decide where you want to get started, whether you want whether you want to make $100. Because remember, whatever product you purchase, that's the amount of commissions that you can earn. If you didn't purchase the product, you can't earn commissions on that product. That's it. So, do you want to just make $100 sales? Do you want to just make $300 sales? 600 or 900? 900 gets you all of them. All right. So just decide. No experience is required, no tech. You don't have to be technical. This is perfect for beginners, all right? Just plug in, start learning and earning, but you got to implement it. That's the key. Learning is great, but if you never implement anything, nothing's going to happen. All right, guys? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link below. You're going to come to this page right here. See, it says coffeeandcoins.info, but scroll down. You'll see this little image here. And right here it says, click here to earn $100 to $900 commissions. All right. If you have any questions, my phone number is in the description. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. I've been with the program from the beginning. It's 2 years strong now. All right. So feel free to reach out. I'm here to assist. All right, guys. That's it. That's all. Before you get out of here, like the video for me. And don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.